Hey, hello guys, welcome back to the Chronicle again. Have you ever wondered how much your favorite YouTubers are actually earning? Well, it might surprise you to know that some creators make thousands and some make it millions. So, just by sharing their passion, but what do you think influences their income the most? Is it their number of subscribers, the views on their videos, or maybe those enticing brand deals? Let's dive into the world of YouTube earnings and find out together. What are your guesses? Drop them in the how to check it? So go to the Google. So there is a website called Social Blade. And if you type Social Blade in Google search, it will give a website Social Blade. So just click on it, and here it's saying analytics made easy Social Blade. So in search box, type your favorite YouTuber's name. So let's type Technical Guruji. So he is an Indian YouTuber. So here are the stats of Technical Guruji YouTube channel. So see the uploads. Oh my god, 5,596 upload and subscribers are 23.6 million. His total views till today is 376 crores, 49 lakhs 5,868, and country of origin is India. Channel type is tech, and he has created on October 19, 2015. In just span of 9 years, he has tasted the tremendous success. So channel category is B plus, and there are other stats also. You can see here his daily earnings and his daily subscriber count, daily views. So it's totally mind-boggling, guys. So if you want to see the success of YouTube, it's totally mind-boggling. So but it's just an estimated earning, rough between, it has given the range from this dollar to that dollar. So we can't say exact earning, but it's estimated, but it is somewhere in between these two. This daily earning, the $335 to $4.5k, it is lying somewhere between that. YouTube has a huge potential for earning. So guys, let's see one more famous YouTube like Mr. Beast, which he has tremendous success on YouTube. He is, maybe I think he is the highest earning YouTuber and he highest subscribed YouTuber. Oh my god, his grade is A plus plus, and he has first subscriber rank in the world, and in the first country rank is also his first, and over worldwide. Just he has uploaded 820 videos. See the subscriber count, 319 million subscribers, guys. 319 video views. It's 6,057 crores. Oh my god, in 1,000 crores views are in. It's not 6, not 5, it's 6,570 crores. You can't imagine daily he's earning $337.9k to $60606k, somewhere between that. It's a huge earning. Maybe he has beat everything in YouTube. So guys, YouTube has a huge potential. It has a huge potential. If you work hard, stick to your content, use good quality of content, you could be the next Mr. Beast. So do subscribe and share this channel. Thank you.